Hello everybody and welcome back to, I think it's part 3, I'm not sure, it might be part 2, I don't know. Got the clutch master cylinder off and sleeve cylinder off. That was well and truly seized. Got this pin out as well. This was literally seized in there. This wasn't even flipping moving. Somebody's actually welded on the end there. You can see where it's not actually properly straight, and they've welded it. So all that's going to need cleaning down and whatnot. The postman has arrived today, but I got the slave that arrived today, but no master cylinder not arrived today. So it's two different companies, but the old ones have chucked them down here in the grass. This one. Oh. And this one was, well, that was stubborn as hell to get out. I mean, look at this, this is all broken. The fluid which is coming out is just more rust than anything. But yeah, they have had it. I won't throw them away, I'll keep them. I'll just strip them all down, take the pistons out and break the seals off, and keep them in storage. You can always get repair kits. Sometimes repair kits come up at the shows at cheap money. At the moment they're on eBay, but they're a bit expensive on eBay. It worked out cheaper just to buy a whole complete new parts to do it. And the other half is giving it a bit of a quick tea cutting over, just to bring a bit of shine into it. I know a lot of you are probably thinking what a waste of time, but it just makes it look a bit tidier outside the house and give it a bit of protection over the winter. But she's enjoying herself. She's done one half of the roof now. It's nice and shiny. And under the engine bay was a bit grotty, so I just oily ragged it. Just sprayed a load of WD-40 everywhere and wiped it down with just a bit of cloth, just to make it look a bit better, because it was, everything you touched was covered in either grummy old leaves or stuff like that. But yeah, we're getting there. So it's like I said, this was completely seized on there. Wasn't even actually doing anything. There was fluid, like I said, there was fluid in the clutch master cylinder, but it was more like rust than anything. So like I said, we got a new one on its way. It probably might arrive tomorrow, so if it arrives tomorrow I can start fitting it, and then give it a little chance. See if I can bed the clutch, see if I can get the clutch to free up and actually drive around the block, just around this green bit, because it's horseshoed, so I'll just go around the block. I don't take it out on the main road properly. Yeah, but she's looking a bit better. There's all the bits and pieces. I mean, that's how bad the master cylinder was. I mean, the cap is literally just broke up into little bits, but all the nuts and bolts I've put them down here for now. When I undone the one under there to take this one out, the spring flew off somewhere, so I got to try and find it. It flew off in the car somewhere, so I'll find it a bit later on today. Yeah, so it's just all fun and games. I mean, like I said, I just need a new light switch and a few bits and pieces. Like I said, we got all the windows to wind down apart from this one, driver's one. But yeah, we're just prodding through, doing little jobs at the moment while we're on lockdown. And I'll just keep ordering bits in if I can, or try and find somebody who might have something local. It's expensive to keep buying brand new stuff all the time. I mean, you can get quite a lot of brand new stuff, but it's more expensive. And then it's only a pattern part. Anyway, this is just, like I said, just a short little video. But the missus has been giving it a good, like I said, cut back, just giving it a bit of love, just to make it look a bit tidier outside the house, really, because it is a bit of a shed. Yeah, And with the good thing is with the T-cut, it get all those rust stains off the seals and stuff like that, so that'll all come off. But that is the worst door of the lot, really. That door really does need replacing. When the worst comes to worst, I'll repair it, but I'm hoping I could find another one. And yeah, so onwards and upwards, as they say. So like I said, just a little video, just a little update. So I can't remember if this is part 3, or I might even add it on to part 2 or something like that. Anyway, big thank you to everybody who subscribed. All your comments were flipping wonderful over this maxi. I tell you, I can't believe the comments and the amount of interest we got on this was unbelievable. So all I can say is a big thank you to everybody who's commented, subscribed, and we'll just keep giving you updates, little clips and whatnot, stuff being done. I'm sorry I didn't film it being took off the master cylinder and clutch, but I mean it did take a while to get undone because it was really, all the bolts were really locked on there and seized. I mean, when it come to this, I mean, this didn't just fly out. I mean, I actually had to heat it up with a heat gun, so I had to get the old heater down in there and put some heat onto it because it was so badly rusted up. All the bolts were quite tight on there to undo. So, but yeah, we're getting it done slowly. But I mean, there's no rush for a moment. Like I said, we're on lockdown, so it's just something to do. Keep you entertained with small little videos. Anyway, I've rabbited on enough now. All I can say is big thank you to everybody who commented. Thank you for everybody for taking so much interest in this maxi, because we really do want to try and save it. When it's all done, I'm open to use it as like an everyday car, so to actually use an everyday go backwards and forwards and do things. So yeah, so thank you very much indeed. And I'll look forward to more comments and everything from you. So ta-ta for now.